Most business struggle with accounting costs. Hiring an in-house team is expensive and time-consuming. Typical annual salaries of accounts payable clerk is $45,000 to $60K. Same thing with AR. Staff accountants, $55,000 to $75K. Senior accountant can range from $75,000 to $95K. Your controller can get up to $200K. Before you know it, your accounting department can cost well over $300,000 per year. At Bloom Accounting, we handle your entire accounting cycle at a fraction of the time and cost. This includes AP, AR, collections, payroll, reconciliations, month-end close, financial reporting, advisory, all the way up to filing your taxes. Because our team includes specialists in every area, you get the complete team you need without paying for multiple full-time salaries. You can save up to 50% versus hiring in-house. If you're ready to reduce costs, streamline your accounting, and regain your time, Bloom Accounting is here to help.